Axie Marketplace is an online platform where users can buy, sell, and trade unique digital assets called Axies. Axies are cute, fantasy creatures inspired by popular games like Pokemon. They are the core component of the Axie Infinity game, an Ethereum-based online game where players can battle, collect, raise, and build their own virtual universe. To make money online with Axie Marketplace in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Understand the basics. Start by learning about Axie Infinity, its gameplay, and how the Axie Marketplace works. Familiarize yourself with the different types of Axies, their attributes, and their value in the game. Set up a crypto wallet. To interact with the Axie Marketplace, you'll need a crypto wallet that supports Ethereum, ETH, and ERC20 tokens, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Acquire ETH. You'll need Ethereum to buy Axies and trade on the Axie Marketplace. You can purchase ETH from cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Create an account on Axie Infinity, sign up for an account on the official Axie Infinity website, and download the game. Purchase your first Axies. Visit the Axie Marketplace, market.axieinfinity.com, and browse through the available Axies for sale. Choose Axies with good stats and traits that align with your gameplay strategy. You can use the filters to find suitable Axies. Start playing and earning SLP. Once you have your Axies, start playing the game and earn Small Love Potion, SLP, an in-game token that has real-world value. You can sell SLP on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or use it to breed new Axies with better attributes. Breed new Axies. If you want to create unique Axies, you can breed two existing ones. The cost of breeding is determined by the rarity and level of the parent Axies. The offspring will inherit traits from both parents and may have better stats, increasing their value in the game and on the marketplace. Sell your Axies and in-game items. If you have strong Axies or in-game items that you don't need, you can sell them on the Axie Marketplace. List your items for sale at a fair price, considering their rarity, stats, and demand. Participate in tournaments and events. Axie Infinity hosts various tournaments and events where you can showcase your skills, win prizes, and gain exposure. This can help you build a reputation and potentially increase the value of your Axies. Stay updated and adapt. Keep track of the latest updates, news, and trends in the Axie Infinity community. Adapt your strategies and investments accordingly to maximize your earnings. By following these steps, you can start making money online with Axie Marketplace in 2024. Remember that investing in digital assets comes with risks, so always do your research and invest responsibly.